The 2026 Honda Accord is back and better than ever, continuing its long-standing legacy as one of the most reliable, practical, and well-rounded midsize sedans on the market. With fresh design updates, improved interior features, and a balanced performance setup, this latest Accord is ready to meet the expectations of both loyal fans and new buyers. Let's dive into what makes the 2026 model stand out from the outside. The 2026 Accord takes on a more refined and modern look. Honda has sharpened the lines and smoothed out the body, giving it a sleek, sophisticated appearance. The front grille is bolder and now incorporates a mesh pattern, flanked by slimmer, more aggressive LED headlights. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic profile lend the car a sporty stance, while the redesigned LED taillights and a subtle rear spoiler add a premium touch. Depending on the trim, the Accord sits on 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels, and customers can choose from a range of stylish colors, including a new deep blue pearl and a sleek matte gray finish. Stepping inside the 2026 Accord, the interior feels like a major upgrade. The cabin is spacious, clean, and driver-focused, with high-quality materials used throughout. Soft-touch surfaces, brushed metal accents, and a redesigned center console enhance the upscale feel. The dashboard now features a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen on all trims except the base, running Honda's latest infotainment software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster provides key vehicle information in a customizable layout. Front seats are wide and supportive, available in cloth or leather upholstery depending on the trim level, with optional heating, ventilation, and power adjustments. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, one of the best in its class, making the Accord a great choice for families or frequent road trippers. Dual-zone automatic climate control is standard, and higher trims include a premium Bose 12-speaker audio system and ambient lighting to elevate the driving experience. In terms of performance, Honda offers two powertrain options for the 2026 Accord. The base engine is a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 that produces around 192 horsepower and 192 pounds-ft of torque. It's mated to a CVT transmission, which is tuned for smooth acceleration and fuel efficiency. For those looking for more excitement, the hybrid variant combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with two electric motors, delivering a combined 204 horsepower. The hybrid system has been refined for 2026 to provide better throttle response and smoother transitions between gas and electric power. While it may not be a sports sedan, the Accord remains composed and confident on the road. Steering is precise, and the suspension does a great job soaking up bumps and rough surfaces, making it a comfortable and composed ride for daily commuting and highway cruising alike. The hybrid model, in particular, benefits from improved regenerative braking and quiet electric-only driving at low speeds. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Accord's strengths. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine returns an estimated 30 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway, while the hybrid variant impresses with around 46 mpg city and 41 mpg highway, depending on driving habits and trim configuration. These numbers make the 2026 Accord a smart option for those who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing space or comfort. Safety is also a key highlight. The 2026 Accord comes standard with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. New for 2026 is improved blind spot monitoring and traffic sign recognition, along with updated front sensors for better pedestrian detection. Top trims even offer a head-up display and a 360-degree camera system for added visibility and convenience. As for pricing, the 2026 Honda Accord remains competitively priced within the midsize sedan category. The base LX model starts around $28,000, offering great value with standard safety and tech features. The mid-tier X trim is priced around $31,000, adding more creature comforts and advanced infotainment. For those opting for the hybrid lineup, prices start around $33,000 and can climb to just under $40,000 for the fully loaded touring hybrid model, which includes all the bells and whistles. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Accord stays true to its core identity while offering thoughtful updates that modern drivers will appreciate. From its stylish design and tech-filled interior to its efficient powertrains and advanced safety systems, the new Accord continues to set the bar high in the midsize sedan segment. Whether you're looking for daily dependability, family-friendly Comfort or efficient commuting, the 2026 Accord delivers on all fronts.